Hello friends. I said in my previous video that I would try to convince Yufik to come to Istanbul. I didn't expect it to happen so quickly. And here is my best friend.
I didn't expect me to be convinced so quickly. I thought I should hurry to meet you all again. You already remember me. You know, the guy who goes crazy with foods in Gaziantep videos.
Yes, that's him.
I came here. Let the whole world see that now I run the channel. Just kidding.
We are in Kadıköy, by the way. The weather is beautiful too, although we are in February. And we will try pasta today. We tried it somewhere else before. This time, we will try somewhere else. We tried it elsewhere, or rather, we will go to Stles, Italian pasta, handmade, turn on a Parmesan wheel. Let's see how the pasta is. By the way, I haven't eaten before.
Very original project, I think very original video.
Exactly like that. Let's go now. Pesto sauce. I guess I'll buy chicken with colored pepper.
By the way, I'm getting large. I feel a little hungry.
Okay, I will buy a large size. Okay, let's get large. Let's get chicken colored pepper too.
Do you want something else? I'll buy the forest mushrooms and onions too.
Okay, so do you think there's anything else you want to add? Merhaba. We will buy 2 big ones. One of them will be forest mushrooms, onions. The other one with chicken and pepper, because it's the chicken we eat. I think I can understand the difference better. In many places before, I ate the handmade pasta. I wonder the difference here. That's why, since this is the most liked place, I guess they know something. Yes, it came. Mushroom and onion. Forest mushroom, onion, or cultured mushroom. Yes, onions. I think there is also oyster mushroom. By the way, stop. Look, exactly. There is also oyster mushroom. It's just that it's not a cultured mushroom. Chicken here too. Parmesan with colored pepper is already on it. Let's show the pasta like this. There is.
Onion is that.
Exactly, caramelized onion. By the way, more than the pasta I ate before. Looks a little thicker and smaller, so this. By the way, I'm so hungry again.
I had some trouble with the food. It's very good, come on.
Nice, by the way, very nice. Just stop, let me eat chicken. How nice first time? Did you eat handmade pasta for the first time?
Yes, I bought it from market and ate it fresh. I did something, but it's the first time it's so fresh. I bought fresh pasta.
By the way, because the pasta is very fresh, it is made instantly. You know, it boils like this for 4 minutes or so. It's boiled too much, so it's al dente. I don't know, I found it very delicious. By the way, I didn't expect it seriously, but it's delicious. Tastes better than most places I've eaten. It was so close. I will tell the difference, yes. 2 places I've eaten before. They combine the sauces you choose with pasta in the pan. That's why, for example, when you buy it like this, you don't buy the pasta plain, you already buy it with sauce. There is that difference here. Sauces you choose, they add directly on whatever the additions are. So when you eat from there, plain direct straight cream. So you eat pasta, should I throw like this right now?
Vav.
How?
This is more beautiful.
Also, these forks are a bit challenging.
Isn't this referred to as street delicacy?
Street food, we eat standing up. Standing hand to go.
It's eaten, so the place you already eat is the street.
Yes, it's really a street, so it's not a street yet.
There's also a Portuguese dessert shop right next to here. I guess moda da nata. Let's eat one nata each. Let's continue. I think it would be nice. Do you think the size is normal, by the way? It's normal.
For me, this is normal. It's not big because I came very hungry. I didn't eat anything. Well, since I came without eating, I think it's normal.
Apple cinnamon with pistachio, coconut, hazelnut salted mushrooms, caramelized onion spinach, goat cheese pesto. Don't you eat dried tomatoes? That's it. They also have branches in the Cock and Backle store. This is such a delicious thing. Look, this is such a delicious thing. Come close. There's something like cream in it. I bought pistachio.
One choose Nutella because I already living in Paradise Pistachio.
You've bought with Nutella by half like this. Oh, how?
It's nice.
There's such cream in it. Let's see yours too. Very delicious one of these. 6 so. Is it 60 so? I can say, how many dollars? $2 of them, $2 nice, but so you don't come and eat 5 or 10 piece all the time.
You come and eat one, by the way. You have 2 units. We have 60 units.
Now we're going to try butter filter coffee. I heard for the first time, Mr. Urkham offered us to try this coffee. Wow, it smells good, by the way. Look at this. Look, the butter in it has melted.
It's nice.
Thank you very much, thank you.
It was a very different coffee, and it was very good. Now we come to the souffler, who's famous for his souffles. There are different kinds of souffles here, with our friend Karen. Thank you very much. I wanted coconut and regular chocolate like this. Oh my god, look at this. We taste. First, you should pour its sauce. Taste it pink. Calm and urgent. Blow it little, but that ruby chocolate. Pink, pink, and pink.
Alpin always sniffs something before eating it. Just like a cat.
Fruity. It tastes like forest fruit yogurt. Very beautiful, very beautiful.
I think a lot of caramelized chocolate is better than a hot fruity yogurt. Come on, can I do my design?
Actually, I was very curious about tahini. By the way, this gold chocolate and lotus soufflé.
Really good one, I think this one.
Yes, the best one is gold chocolate one.
Nice, but so beautiful, they are all beautiful.
Yes, he made a very good choice. He made a very good choice. Whoever loves it also likes it. Who doesn't love also loves. Yes, friends, that was the video. Finally, we tried souffle. You can come to the souffle and try it. The one with the gold chocolate and the lotus. I recommend you try it first.
I ate it, by the way. My choice is always better than yours.
Yes, friends, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like the video if you like it. To support, even if you don't like it. Please don't forget to take care of yourself.
It's not just your channel, it's our channel. Anyway, bye.
Alpin.